screed in the background actually doing its thing. That thing, they don't have to really screed that very well to get it to work. That guy's finishing the edges and almost straight up. Well, we're about 5 o'clock in the morning here, and we're just starting to run down this last run, 75 by 200, and probably got we got a couple of concrete trucks coming in. Both boom pumps are working right now, and should be done by 7:30, I'd guess, just a guess. So, see, we got our lighting up here. There's one boom, and the other one was already in the frame. So, and of course, if you haven't seen a laser screed before, that's how that works. Pulls the mud back, and it's got a laser over off to the side here that directs it how high to be. Once you set it up, you're off and running. So, yeah, we're getting a little tired right now, but it's what it is, right? Okay, we'll stop it for now.